Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really unearthing a topic that could genuinely speed up your data career. We're looking at growth in cloud, ETL, ELT, and well, specifically focusing on Matillion. The big question we're sort of dissecting is this: why could mastering Matillion be like the smartest strategic move for you professionally right now? I mean, the demand for pros who can handle data transformation at scale, it isn't just growing. It's become a huge bottleneck. You see companies practically drowning in raw data, but they're often starving for actual insights. I've even seen estimates suggesting businesses might lose up to 30% of revenue just from bad data quality or slow processing. That's huge, and that's really where tools like Matillion step in.
Yeah, exactly. And what's fascinating, I think, is Matillion's specific role here. It's not just, another tool. It's properly cloud native, built for ETL, extract, transform, load, and importantly, ELT, extract, load, transform. And while both move data, Matillion often really shines with ELT, pushing those heavy transformations into your cloud data warehouse, which just maximizes the compute power you've already got there, right? It sits right at the core of modern systems. Think Snowflake, Redshift, BigQuery, turning all that messy raw stuff into clear, usable insights. And that foundation, well, it opens up a whole landscape of career paths.
Okay, yeah, that paints a clear picture. Matillion Central, it's critical. So let's get a bit more tactical. For someone listening who's keen to jump into this space, what are the main ways in, the on-ramps?
Right. There are a few pretty common entry points, I'd say. You might start out as, say, a junior data engineer, maybe an ETL developer. Your focus is building those basic data pipelines, getting things moving. Or perhaps you're already a data analyst, you understand the business side, but you want to get more technical with transformation. That's a great path too. And then there are IT pros, people with good scripting skills, database knowledge. For them, Matillion is a really fantastic way into cloud data integration specifically. It's often a very natural fit for that background.
That makes a lot of sense. Different background, same goal. So, okay, once you're actually on that path, how does the career grow? What does that exponential growth actually look like day to day?
Well, once you're in, the paths can be really dynamic. You don't just stay building basic pipelines. You could move up to senior Matillion developer. Now you're not just building, you're owning complex pipeline design. You're thinking about performance optimization, huge data sets, maybe mentoring newer folks too. From there, perhaps a team lead role, or even a Matillion architect. That's where you're guiding the bigger picture strategy, talking directly with business stakeholders, designing these large enterprise scale solutions.
Some more strategic thinking there.
Exactly. And beyond that, you see roles like cloud data architect or maybe data ops engineer. Here, Matillion is like a core piece, but it's part of a much larger toolkit for building these really scalable, really resilient cloud platforms. The key combo for that kind of serious growth, it's deepening the Matillion expertise for sure, but also getting broader cloud knowledge, AWS, Azure, GCP, whichever. And this is crucial, really honing those communication and leadership skills. Can't skip those.
Right. It's not just technical depth. And it sounds like it's not just about climbing that one specific ladder either. These Matillion skills seem to unlock doors to some really interesting specialized areas in the data world. What are some of those kind of real world specialisms for a data pro?
Oh, absolutely. Think about data ops, for instance. That's all about automating your Matillion deployments,
Mm.
building robust CI/CD pipelines.
CIC, continuous integration, continuous delivery.
Yeah, exactly. Bringing those solid software engineering practices, automated testing, deployment right into your data pipelines. It brings reliability, speed, super critical for big organizations. Then there's analytics engineering. That's a big one now. You're shaping the data specifically for BI tools, for analytics use cases,
Mm.
making data truly production ready so analysts and data scientists can just grab it and go.
Bridging the gap.
Precisely. And if you like variety, there's always data integration consulting, advising different clients on Matillion best practices, scalable design, that sort of thing.
Okay. And that brings up, I think, a really critical point maybe for some of the leaders listening. For businesses, growing a strong Matillion team.
Hmm.
It's not just about the tech skills, is it? It sounds like a strategic imperative for retention, innovation, getting actual value from data.
You've hit it exactly. It's deeply strategic. I mean, think about it. Skilled data engineers, they can be hard to keep, right? They often jump for better tech or more interesting challenges. So investing in Matillion training and growth, This isn't just upskilling. It's a really powerful retention strategy. It means having clear career paths laid out, providing proper hands-on training, giving people challenging, meaningful projects. That's what keeps your best people engaged and growing. And it ensures that massive investment you made in cloud data infrastructure actually, pays off.
So wrapping this up then, what does this all mean for you, the listener? Given Matillion's really central and still growing role in this whole cloud data picture, how might proactively investing in these kinds of skills, exploring these specific career paths, how might that shape your future influence, your impact? Whether that's inside your current organization or maybe even in the wider data industry, it's definitely a compelling opportunity to think about, isn't it?